Do you know where we're going? It is dark. Do you know where we're going? Where are we going? Yeah, Disneyland. Are you so excited? I love speed. I love rides. Yeah.
Where you at? Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna tear this place up, aren't we? Huh?
Yeah.
Mama, let's go. Where's Audrey? Look at Audrey. Audrey's ready to go.
Yeah.
Hey, get back up in your seat. Yeah. You ready?
Okay. Here, put this.
Is this crazy?
Yeah.
What do you think, teacher? Color for me, Peg. Color.
Over there.
Awesome. Thank you.
Milk here for you. This right here. Oh, you guys are ready. Throwing some back.
Are you tipping that bottle? Drink it. Yeah. That's fine.
Rainforest Cafe. Woo. What do you think?
Hey, hey, look at the fish. Look at them. Blue ones. Wow. Look at that guy. Look at him, Pay.
Yeah.
What's his name? Isn't that cool? Whole bacon right there. That's bizarre. Outrageous. Hey, you want nacho? Good? You want it? You hear those? You hear the fireworks? That's Disneyland. We won't miss them next night, okay? Okay? You hear the fireworks? That's Disneyland. Mickey Mouse is lighting those off. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Boom.